morning, it's 6 AM, I'm in Asda car park, I'm all fueled up and I'm ready to go and get my latest project. It's in Dorchester, it's a 3-hour drive, so I better get going. Okay, well here it is. What on earth is it? It's a kit car, quite obviously. It's called a Regis Mohawk. Design cues from the DeLorean, Ginetta and Lotus Elite. In fact, it was designed and built in the 1970s by Bruce Dixon, Dennis Webb and Ian Cross as a Lotus Elite replica. It was supplied as a kit-based vehicle from Regis Automotive in Bognor Regis, West Sussex, UK. It was initially named as the Ram 4S between 1974 and 82. However, due to objections from Lotus, it was subsequently redesigned as a hatchback coupe and renamed the Regis Mohawk for production in 1989. Apparently, according to some sources, it was named Kit Car of the Year in 1990. They were built upon a space-frame chassis with fibreglass bodywork and used mechanical components from the Ford Cortina. Power could be supplied by a Ford 4- or 6-cylinder or Rover V8 engines. It is believed that less than 10 Mohawk kits were supplied between 1989 and 1992, with only 9 ever being sold, with 3 seeing the road. There is very little information online regarding these vehicles. If anyone knows of any information or pictures, then please leave a comment, as I'd love to hear more. Okay, let's take a closer look before I load it up and see what I've got myself into this time. Missing the rear windows. Okay, they're inside, along with a rear lens and a side skirt and what looks like BMW E36 seats. And lovely artistic cobweb shop. Moving to the rear, very similar to the Escort hatch. Are they Sierra rear lights? Bodywork all looks fairly straight and damage free, just faded. Needing a lot of interior work. In fact, a full refurb is missing the majority of it. Yep, definitely E36 seats. There's a Sierra dash, which is not the original, and an aftermarket Momo steering wheel. Currently showing 62,000 on the clock, which is backed up by the MOT, but more than likely it's gone once around. Okay, all loaded up and secured. Definitely DeLorean vibes with those headlights. Just the pity the rear is so fugly. Side profile is a bit Capri-like. Nice set of 1990s TSW multi-spokes. Here you can see the chassis. All looks pretty solid, considering it's been off the road for over a decade. Rear axle, diff and chassis all look good on the rear. Generally it doesn't look too bad. Shouldn't take a great deal to sort this one out and get it running. Hopefully over winter, but we'll see how the Scimitar project goes first. This particular example was first registered in 1997, although it comes on a 1982 Y-Reg, which is a bit strange considering the company folded in 1992. What headlights are those pinched from? I have no idea. Indicators look a bit like an Escort to me, but I'm not too genned up on my Fords. Being brought up on Vauxhalls. Very strange shaped wing mirrors, very sci-fi. Still not sure if they are Escort or Sierra rear lights. They're a two-part with the indicator separate, which I'm pretty sure the Sierra did not come with. It was a one-piece unit. Quick look in the engine bay. All appears pretty good. It was previously running a 2-litre Ford Pinto and had its last MOT in 2012. Most, if not all, ancillary wiring is still present. The chassis and the tunnel look in very good condition. So there you have it, a short but sweet intro to my next project. And until next time, I'll leave you with this reminder.